Hello. So today we are going to see how to create a Gmail account, and in this video I'll cover 3 points: how to create a Gmail account, then how to make it secure, and the third one in case you want to delete your Gmail account. Without any further ado, let's jump onto the screen, and in this URL I can just write down gmail.com, and on this screen you can see there is a link for create account. So I'll just click over this, and then you will get a pop-up like whether you want to create Gmail account for yourself or you are going to use this Gmail account for your business. Okay, here we are just using it for ourselves, so I'll click on myself, and here I can give the names, any names, because later I'm going to delete this account. So alpha, let's put gamma, and here we can put our username. Username means by which name you want to make your email account. Okay, like xyz@gmail.com or abc@gmail.com. So here I'll just put a random name, alpha gamma 2390. Okay, let's just see if it is available or not. To check it, you can click on any of the white space on this screen. I'll click here, and then you can give a password. I would suggest always keep your password secure and try to add like alphabets, numericals, and any special characters. So I'll just give a password here. So I have given a password here. I will just make sure both of these passwords are same, and then click on next. And here you need to provide your mobile number on which you are going to receive a OTP from Gmail. So I will just put my mobile number here. Okay, so I have entered my mobile number here. As soon as I'll click on next button, I will receive a OTP on my mobile phone. Okay, so here you need to put the OTP which you have received, the Google verification code. Then I'll click on verify, and the other option is if message is not coming on your mobile phone, then you can click call instead. Then you will receive a phone call, and on that phone call the IVR will be telling about the OTP. Okay, so you can go both of the ways and click on verify, and here you can remove the mobile number now if you want, otherwise you can keep it here. And here you can put your any optional email ID if you have already, otherwise keep it blank. Then you can give your date of birth. I will just give a random thing, maybe 1 then 1990. Okay, and then gender will be male, and then click on next. Okay, so then you will get some policy page. Just scroll to bottom and click on I agree. So this is how it will look, and then you can just click on got it and don't switch. Okay, so this is your new email account which got created. And if you will see on the right top corner, if I click on the A icon, okay, here I can see my Gmail ID which I created. So you can keep it, you can paste it in notepad, or you can write it down in a notebook so that you don't forget it. And now coming to the most important part, which is making your email ID secure, because you are getting like private information on this emails, or you are getting OTP from banks, or any personal information. So how can we make it secure? So click on this and then go to manage your Google account. Okay, let's click on this. It will open a new window. Then go to the security tab. On the left pane you will see number of options. Click on the security one, and here just click on secure account. Now there are two ways to secure your account. First one is your phone number, and the second one is recovery email. I will go and just add a phone number here again. So let's enter the password. And here I will enter my phone number, then click on next. So it is saying you will receive a 6-digit verification code on your phone number again. So let's wait for the code. And I have received the code, so I'll just put it. So Okay, I've entered the code. Then click on next. And yeah, your account is secure now. Okay. So let's go again. You can click on the manage your Google account. Then again, let's go to security. And yes, now your account is secured. We keep your account protected. As you can see here, it's checked. So now as you can see, our account is totally secured. Now the third point comes, how can we delete our Gmail account? So what you need to do is click on data and personalization. Click on this, and if you will scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see few options here. In this section, download, delete or make a plan of your data. So what you can do, you can click on this, delete a service or your account. So just click on this arrow. Okay, so here we have few options: delete a Google service, and delete your Google account, delete your data. If you want to delete any of the data from your Gmail account, you can click here. And if you want to stop a few of the services like YouTube channel, Gmail or Google Drive or any of these things, you can delete it from here. So here now we are going to delete our Gmail account. So what we will do, we will click on delete your account. Click on this, and again it is just trying to verify whether we are logged in or not. So I'll click on this. Okay, so here what is saying, if we delete our Gmail account, then it will be completely gone. We cannot recover it, and this data will be available with Google only for 1 month. Okay, yes, I acknowledge. Yes, I want to permanently delete this account. Then click on this and just click on delete account. Okay, so now your Gmail account has been deleted, and the message which you are getting from Google is, in case you delete this account by mistake, then you can recover it in a minimum span of time. Click on account support link, and here we will give our email ID. So email ID, let me just copy from here because I forgot to copy it. So it's alpha gamma 2390. Okay, I'll just put it here, alpha gamma 2390@gmail.com. So we want to recover this Gmail account. Okay, now click on next. The account has been recently deleted and may be recoverable. So yes, we want to recover our account. Click on OK. Now it is asking for password. I'll just put my password here. Yeah, here is our account again. Here you can see it. So if you want to go to Gmail, this is your Google account. If you want to go to Gmail, click on this, and here you'll get an option to go to Gmail. Click on this. All right, so here are all your emails. So here is our Gmail account.